यथो हस्त तथो दृष्टि. Where your hands go, your eyes will follow. Yatho drishti tatho mana. Where your eyes go, your mind will follow. Yatho mana tatho bhava. Where your mind goes, there will be expression of inner feeling. Yatho bhav tatho rasa. Where there is expression shown, there will be sentiments evoked. It is written in Natya Shastra. Rasa literal means juice, essence or taste. Rasa are created by bhavas, the state of minds. The word rasa is derived from Natya Shastra, a Sanskrit text written by Bharat Muni. Sringar Ras is the pradhan, or you can say main ras in visual and performing art. According to the Bharat Muni, there are 9 rasas in Indian art. Sringar Ras, Hasya Ras, Raudra, Veer Ras, Karun Ras, Bhayanak Ras, Vibhassa Ras, Adbhut Ras and Shanta. Beauty, laughter, anger, heroism, sorrow, terror, disgust, wonder, peace. These all rasas I am going to explain one by one. The first ras, that is Sringar Ras, means the beauty ras, and light green is the symbol of Sringar Ras. As I told you that Sringar Ras is the man, or you can say the Pradhan Ras in all rasas. The undisputable king of all rasas is used to portray every form of love and beauty that we come across our day-to-day lives. Devotion towards God, affinity between two close friends, and a disciple's devotion towards Guru. When you see the picture of Lord Krishna, we can say this is the great example of Sringar Ras. And second is Hasya, means the laughter ras, and white color is the symbol of Hasya Ras. This rasa often depicts everything between a simple smile of harmless mirth to loud echoes of raucous laughter. Overhearing a funny conversation, noticing someone trip and fall, teasing your best friend. In television also you see the Kapil Sharma comedy show. Now the third ras is Raudra, means the anger. This rasa represents the fiery sentiments of anger and is recognized to be the most violent of all emotions combined. Grave injustice against loved one, nature's wrath, dealing with evil forces. Red color is the symbol of Raudra Ras. When you see the picture of Lord Shiva while performing Tandava, so Tandava is also a great example of Raudra Roop, means the anger face of Lord Shiva. We often say nature is showing the anger roop, the anger face. So that means anger, krodh, that is Raudra Roop. Fourth number is Veer Ras. Veer, valiant, brave, heroism, often attributed to the valor of Lord Rama. This ras interprets self-confidence to represent it as the noblest emotion of bravery, never backing down, defending the oppressed, facing death rather than being a coward. It is one quotation also, valiant dies once, rather coward dies many times before his death. Karun Ras means the sorrow ras. Green color is the symbol of Karun Ras. This devastatingly versatile ras evokes feelings of empathy and even sadness due to loss in the minds of the viewers. A sister's understanding towards her siblings, anguish over heartbreak, suffering the loss of a loved one. On sixth number, that is Bhayanak Ras, that is terror. Black color is the symbol of this ras. This rasa is tailor made to stand for Axis feeling of suffering from a horrible circumstances, foreseen or unforeseen, premonition of evil forces, spotting a harmful entity, looking in the eyes of death. Now on seventh number is Vibhitsa. Vibhitsa means disgust. When you feel something disgusting, that is Vibhitsa ras. This rasa expresses the complex feeling of disgust or nausea, and according to the Natya Shastra paves the way of different pleasant emotions. The feeling when you eat something stale, when you experience a nasty stench, sudden loud voice. Blue color is the symbol of Vibhitsa ras. Now on 8th number, that is Adbhut ras means the wonder. When you become astonished, that is Adbhut ras. This rasa makes way for the most unimaginable sense of awe that is felt when we sense the working of the universe, of even one's own surrounding. Divine intervention, rainfall after a sultry day, viewing a magical piece of art, that is called the Adbhut ras. And yellow color is the symbol of Adbhut ras. And the last is Shant ras, means the peace, tranquility. Shant ras. This rasa portrays the power of being at peace, the sweet symphony that is created when mind, body and soul are on par with each other. A still absolute bliss, tranquil moments shared between loved ones, resolving a self-conflict. When you see the picture of Lord Buddha, you can feel the Shant, means the calm. So that is Shant ras. Now I hope that you must have understood what are the rasas in Indian art. What is the value of rasas in the life of an artist. Thank you. We will meet again. Till then, keep on painting.